How to become an Airbnb Superhost in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So first, let's understand what an Airbnb Superhost is. Superhosts are experienced, highly rated hosts who go above and beyond for their guests. You'll get a special badge and more exposure on your listing. Now, in order to go ahead and be a Superhost, the first thing you're going to do is open your Airbnb application, tap on your profile, and then go to the host dashboard. Once you're here, you want to simply go ahead and click on View Performance and then check for requirements. So the overall rating should be 4.8 or higher. Response rate should be 90% or higher. Cancellation rate should be 1% or lower, and completed trips should be 10 or more. Once you simply go ahead and meet these standards, then you will simply go ahead and get the Superhost badge, and you will stand out with the Superhost badge, get more bookings and visibility, inspire trust and confidence, and many, many more. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.